Samsung is leading the current wave of foldable phones with its Galaxy Fold. It's a great handset for a first-gen product, but it was with plastic display. As demonstrated by Zach, it can get scratched with your fingernails, and it's something that I'm not comfortable with if I'm spending $2,000 on a product. But thankfully it looks like in just under a year Samsung fixed that issue. As we already know, the second foldable phone from Samsung, the Galaxy Z Flip, will have an ultra-thin glass instead of a plastic display, which will, of course, make the display more durable. And now, we're learning that Samsung has informed their employees to try and damage the Z Flip with their fingernails to see if similar dents appear like on the Galaxy Fold. And thankfully, it doesn't dent like Fold. The ultra-thin glass is strong enough to sustain the daily wear and tear, which is a great thing for the Z Flip and for the future of foldables. Now, we'll have to wait and see for Zach's video to learn at what level this display is going scratch. Yes, don't buy the new Moto Razr if you don't want to waste your money. First of all, Moto Razr looks amazing and arguably even better than the Galaxy Z Flip. But the construction and engineering of this handset are nowhere near to what you'd expect if you're paying $1,500. First of all, the hinge is a big problem. Just hear how does it sound. That's not what you wanna hear if you're spending $1,500. Honestly, it sounds like a toy. The hinge isn't well engineered and it seems it would break at any time. The second problem is also associated with the hinge mechanism. We thought Motorola avoided the crease in the middle portion of the display with this new hinge mechanism, but the fact of the matter is this new mechanism created not one but two creases on the display, as you can see here. The display is not attached to the phone, which means dirt and debris will get into it and will cause the display failure. It will surely happen because that's what made the first review units of the Galaxy Folds to fail until Samsung fixed it by closing the gap. Also, the Galaxy Z Flip doesn't have any gap either. The display is firmly attached to the body of the phone. The bottom line, if you are into clamshell-like foldable smartphones, then you're better off buying the Galaxy Z Flip than the Razr. It's a far better device with better internals, better build quality, and a better glass display. Subscribe now and press the bell icon so you never miss an update.